Hello, welcome back. This is PyProTech. So today I'm gonna show you the week 5 programming assignment without any further delay. Obviously, the code will be in a PDF in the link in the description below, just as the same as the others which I have presented. So let's go and scroll down. I'm gonna just zoom in into the code. So this one's a really complicated code and it will take time to understand, but if you just go through it and revise it, you will understand the basics and the concept and which way it has been represented. So, and this code will be in the link in the description below. So if I zoom out, and this code it's a 83 line code. So I'm just gonna zoom out, and then if I click compile and run, this should work. And if I scroll down once again, now if you clearly see there are 3 public test cases and I have passed 3 out of 3, and the expected output is equal to the actual output, and the status of the 3 cases has been written as passed. So which means this code is the correct code for this week assignment number 5. So I will have, okay, let's go ahead and click. So this is the NPTEL week 5 programming assignment. I'll have it in the link in the description below. So till then, I will upload the week 6 programming assignment when it will release. So till then, what are you gonna do? You're gonna hit the subscribe button, like, share, and subscribe, and obviously be safe in this COVID-19 situation, and don't gather around with your friends a lot. So till then, take care. Adios.